guess what? I got a fever, and the only prescription is more cowbells. Well, it's spring fever. I'm here with Austin Williams of the Breckenridge Ski Resort, and spring fever coming up in apropos on St. Paddy's Day. That's when it begins.
It does. So March 17th through the end of the season, which is April 15th, here at Breckenridge, we're going to have tons of activities going on the whole month long.
A month-long festival. You know, it's amazing. Unfortunately, a lot of the real world doesn't know that the time to come to Summit County, Breckenridge specifically, is in the spring. The best conditions, less crowds, great value, and now with a festival like Spring Fever. Now, tell us how it all works, starting off on St. Paddy's Day.
So St. Paddy's Day, there's going to be a town-wide party, because it's St. Paddy's Day. Yeah. You know all about that.
That would be March 17th.
That would be March 17th. Now, starting on March 24th, we have concerts going on at the base. So we just announced our lineup, which includes Donovan Frankenreiter, Rusted Root, pretty solid lineup there. We have Soul Rebel Brass Band, Leftover Salmon, and then the last one is, there you go, Julian Marley. One of the Marleys will be here. Yeah, so it's going to be all month long. And like you said, did you know that March and April is actually the most consistent snow in Colorado and Breckenridge specifically? Right. So it's the most bluebird days and the best snow.
Yeah, you know, and then you have that accumulated base throughout the whole ski season, the best coverage, a little bit less crowds, as well as I say, great value. And then Spring Fever just kicks it all off with, it kind of sweetens the pot, if you will. Now, how's it all work? I know that there's concerts every weekend, but what's the venue and what are we going to be seeing at the base area?
Yeah, so everything's going to happen right at the base of Peak 8. There's going to be a self-constructed stage for the Bud Light Concert Series. That's going to go on every Saturday and Sunday throughout the month of end of March through the end of April. And then also on Easter weekend, on April 8th, there's going to be 10,000 Easter eggs spread out. Nice. Are you going to come get them all?
Oh, yes, well, exactly. Because I'm a diabetic. I live without, I can't live without chocolate. Go ahead.
Now, I talk about everything that's going on in the mountain, but the town's going to be full of things as well. There's a dining passport that you can buy at the Welcome Center, and that gets you deals throughout the town. Also, there's going to be my favorite time of year. The Beer Fest.
Oh, yes, of course.
Beer Fest, of course. Happening up right up here at the Main Street Station. So really, it's going to be the best time to visit. And like you said, the best time for lodging deals and deals throughout the town. Yeah,
you know. Now, it is all at starting off on St. Paddy's Day. It is Spring Fever. Now, the website is Breckenridge.com. That's how you can get all the information for schedules and deals, and even lodging deals as well?
Even lodging deals, yep. Okay. For one night or $119 per night, you can stay at the Village or at the new DoubleTree throughout Spring Fever.
Oh, that's right in. That's ski in, ski out.
Yeah. That is ski in, ski out.
It's Spring Fever coming off. It's just Breckenridge.com. Now the first concert is the 24th. Now who's that going to be?
Julian Marley.
All right, perfect. Is he going to start at 4:20?
No, on the 24th actually. Yeah. The 24th.
Yeah. No, wait a minute. That brings me to my next question. When do these concerts begin?
So the DJs are going to kick them off right around 2 o'clock, and then the bands are going to go live at 3 o'clock. Okay. So then you have enough time to get on the gondola, get down, and then celebrate in town, basically.
Yeah. So what you do is ski throughout the day, listen to some music at the base. And we should point out, this is all the music is free.
It's all free. Yeah. It's all free. Come up there, and the gondola is free. Even if you're not skiing that day, take the gondola up, have a drink, and sit back and watch some music. Yeah,
and also at the end of the day, take the gondola down back to your car, and then check out some of the fine amenities in town. Cool. So you are heading to another resort this weekend, girls weekend out.
I am hitting the road right now.
Well, I just make sure you don't wear your name tag, because we don't want to know anyone to know who is behaving that way. We'll be back with more. You're watching Summit Sunrise. It is Spring Fever coming up there, starting off St. Paddy's Day. You want to know more information, just go to Breckenridge.com. Anything from schedule to lodging deals can be had at that website. We'll be back with more. Don't go away.